Welcome to Income Mastery, your go-to channel for all finance and investment topics. Today, we'll show you how you can make money on YouTube even as a beginner. So let's get straight into it. YouTube has become a popular platform for individuals to generate income through the creation of original content. It may seem like a simple task, but the reality is that it requires strategic planning and implementation. However, with proper guidance, even beginners can achieve success and make money on YouTube in 2023. Before we dive into the details, let's first understand how YouTube monetization works. YouTube offers several ways to monetize your content, including display ads, sponsored content, product placements, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. To be eligible for monetization, your channel needs to meet YouTube's partner program requirements, which include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Now let's move on to the strategies that can help you make money on YouTube as a beginner. Create engaging content. If you want to make some serious cash on YouTube, you have to start with the basics, creating engaging content that people actually want to watch. It's no secret that people go on YouTube to be entertained, informed, and visually stimulated. So you need to identify your niche and create videos that cater to your audience's interests. Think about what makes your content unique and how you can offer value to your viewers. Is it do-it-yourself tutorials, cooking videos, football, or funny skits? Whatever it is, make sure you bring your A game every time you hit the record button. Your videos should be informative, entertaining, and visually appealing. So go ahead and spice things up with some fun editing, colorful visuals, and creative storytelling. With these strategies in mind, you can create compelling content that captivates your viewers, keeps them coming back for more, and ultimately helps you achieve your monetization goals on YouTube. Optimize your content. Now let's talk about the importance of optimizing your videos for SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a fancy term that simply means getting your videos to rank higher in YouTube's search results. Why is this important? Well, think about it. If your videos don't show up in search results, how will people find them? To improve your chances of getting discovered by viewers, you need to use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This helps YouTube's algorithm understand what your video is about and makes it easier for people to find it when they search for related topics. So if you're making a video about making crypto, you might want to include keywords like digital currency or Bitcoin in your video title and description. It's like giving YouTube a roadmap to your video. But don't go overboard with the keywords, as this can actually hurt your ranking. Use them strategically and naturally throughout your video content. By optimizing your videos for SEO, you increase your chances of getting more views and ultimately making more money on YouTube. So take the time to do your research and incorporate SEO best practices into your video strategy. Promote your content. Next up, social media promotion. Don't be shy about sharing your videos on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. These platforms are perfect for reaching a wider audience, so use them to your advantage. Share your videos with your followers and encourage them to share them with their friends. You can even try running ads on these platforms to get your videos in front of even more people. Remember, the more eyes you can get on your videos, the better chance you have of building a loyal following and making some serious cash. So don't be afraid to promote your content like crazy. Collaboration is key. When you collaborate with other creators, you're essentially tapping into their existing fan base, which can help increase your reach and grow your own audience. One of the most exciting things about being a content creator is the opportunity to collaborate with others who share your passion. Not only does it allow you to work with like-minded individuals, but it also opens the door to new audiences and subscribers. To get started, look for creators in your niche who have a similar audience to yours. Reach out to them and propose a collaboration on a video or even a series of videos. By working together, you can combine your skills and creativity to produce content that's more engaging and valuable to your viewers. Not only will you have fun bouncing ideas off each other, but you'll also be building relationships and expanding your network within the community. So don't be afraid to reach out and start collaborating. Monetize your content. All right, so you've set up your YouTube channel, and now you're wondering, How do I make money off of my videos? It's actually easier than you might think. In fact, with YouTube's updated policies in 2023, even short content creators can now earn a great amount of money. You can monetize your channel through Google AdSense, which offers multiple revenue streams for creators to take advantage of. To start earning through Google AdSense, you'll need to maintain an active audience and consistently produce high-quality content. But once you've got that down, the process is pretty straightforward. Ads will be placed within your videos, and you'll earn a portion of the revenue generated by those ads. Now let's break down how it all works. With Google AdSense, viewers will see ads during their viewing experience on your channel. The money earned from these ads is then split between YouTube and the creator, with the creator receiving 55% of the total ad income earned from that particular video. So the more views your videos get, the more money you can make. The best part? Monetizing your videos through Google AdSense requires minimal effort from the creator. Just keep creating awesome content, build up your audience, and let the ads do their thing. Before you know it, you'll be well on your way to making money on YouTube, earning outside YouTube with YouTube. So you've met the criteria for the YouTube Partner Program, and you're starting to earn some cash on the platform. But did you know there are other ways to make money beyond YouTube? That's right, one of those ways is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a proven method to generate additional income on YouTube. Essentially, it involves promoting products or services in your videos and including affiliate links in your video descriptions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that simple. The best part about affiliate marketing is that it can be seamlessly integrated into your existing content without appearing pushy or salesy. For instance, if you have a beauty channel, you can review makeup products and include affiliate links for viewers to purchase the products you're promoting. Keep in mind that affiliate marketing is most effective when you're promoting products or services that align with your brand and resonate with your audience. It's also essential to disclose your affiliate partnerships to your viewers as per YouTube's policies. So, if you're looking for new ways to monetize your YouTube channel and earn even more profits, give affiliate marketing a try. With the right approach, it can be a lucrative addition to your revenue streams. Another thing you can do to earn on YouTube is to sell merchandise to your loyal subscribers. This is a fantastic option if you want to create a deeper connection with your audience and offer them something tangible to show their support. You can design and sell all sorts of merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and more. The best part is that you don't even need to have your own inventory or worry about shipping and handling. There are various platforms like Teespring, Spreadshirt, and Redbubble that allow you to create and sell your merchandise with ease. So if you're looking for a unique way to monetize your channel, selling merchandise is definitely worth considering. Not only can it help you earn more income, but it can also strengthen your relationship with your subscribers and help you stand out from the crowd. So there you have it. Making money on YouTube in 2023 doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. By monetizing your channel through Google AdSense or integrating affiliate links, you can start generating income from your videos. It all comes down to consistently producing high-quality content and building an engaged audience. With the right guidance, you can become a successful creator and start earning money from your passion. So why not give it a try and see how far your creativity can take you on YouTube? That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about the best online businesses ideas to make money online as a beginner, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.